Hi, Blessed Sacrament friends. Today we're going to be reading the story This Way, Ruby, and it's written by Jonathan Emmett and illustrated by Rebecca Harry. And when we're finished, we're going to be able to make our very own bird kite, our Ruby kite, so you can follow Ruby through the sky. This Way, Ruby. Once upon a time, upon a nest, beside a lake, there lived a family of ducks. A mother duck, a father duck, and 5 young ducklings. 4 of the ducklings were big and bold and were always rushing off in search of an adventure. Their names were Rufus, Rory, Rosie, and Rebecca. But the 5th duckling was small and steady and took things slowly in her own time. Her name was Ruby. It was a bright spring day, and Mother Duck and Father Duck were snoozing in the sun. "Let's go and explore," said Rufus, running down splash into the water. Rory, Rosie, and Rebecca ran straight after him, but Ruby stayed by the nest. "This way, Ruby," called the others. Ruby didn't want to be left behind, so she swam after them. Ruby caught up with them at the edge of the reed beds. Rufus, Rory, Rosie, and Rebecca raced on through a gap in the tall green stems. But Ruby stopped to look around. She saw a small waterfall that sparkled in the sun and a great golden fish that glimmered in the depths. "Look," said Ruby, but the others did not stop. "This way, Ruby," they called. Ruby joined the other ducklings in the middle of the reed beds. Rufus, Rory, Rosie, and Rebecca rushed off down a winding waterway. But Ruby stopped to look around. She saw the water lilies with their bright purple flowers and the 4 fat frogs lazing in the leaves. "Look," said Ruby, but the others did not stop. "This way, Ruby," they called. Ruby found the other ducklings at the far side of the reed beds. Rufus, Rory, Rosie, and Rebecca ran straight up the grassy bank. But once more, Ruby stopped to look around. She saw the dragonflies that wove along the waterline and the willow tree that bent across the bank. And she saw a big black storm cloud that was sweeping across the sky. "Look," said Ruby, but the others did not stop. "This way, Ruby," they called. Rufus, Rory, Rosie, and Rebecca were rambling through the long grass when a flash of lightning lit the sky above them and a crash of thunder filled the air. "This way!" they cried, and they all ran in different directions. And then back again. They were lost, and they were scared, and they wanted to go home, but they didn't know which way to go. The ducklings huddled together anxiously as something rustled through the grass. It was Ruby. Ruby was scared too, but she did know which way to go. She spotted the top of the willow tree sticking up above the long grass. "This way," she called. Ruby led the other ducklings down the bank and out onto the water. Then she spotted the bright purple flowers floating among the reeds. "This way," she called. Ruby arrived at the water lilies and stopped. The water wound off in many directions, and they all looked the same. She could not see which way to go. "Which way, Ruby? Which Hurry! Cried the other ducklings as the big black storm cloud moved across the sun. Shh, said Ruby. Then she swam around slowly until she could just hear it, the gurgling of the waterfall. This way, she said, following the sound. Where have you been? Called Father Duck as the ducklings popped out of the reed beds. We had an adventure, panted Rufus. And we got lost, gasped Rory. But Ruby found us, added Rosie. And brought us home, Rebecca said. Well done, Ruby, said Mother Duck proudly. But Ruby had already gone. The storm cloud had moved off, but Ruby felt that they'd had enough exploring for one day. It was time to go home. This way, everyone, she called. The end. So Miss Ruby knew which way to go. She used her senses to be able to tell look around and see different things. So you can think about what were some of those things that Ruby used with her hearing and her seeing that helped her know the way home. All right, so she is pretty much a quiet little hero for her family. Now we're going to be able to make Ruby as a kite. All right, so I have the directions and they will be attached, so you can find that out. Bye, guys. Love you.